Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply double tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to scroll up and tap on the settings icon. Now swipe downwards on the screen again to scroll up and tap on this tool wrench icon. Here scroll down by swiping up on the screen, find the language option and tap on it. And right here we can change the language by simply, or rather select the language by scrolling through the list of languages by tapping on the up and down buttons. Find the language you like to use, for example Russian, and then tap on it to select it. And as you can see, the language changed. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.